Hello everybody and welcome to our today's lesson number 8, regular ER verbs in French. Today we are going to learn about the verbs, the concept of conjugation and the importance of conjugating a verb in the language French. This is the first stepping stone of any European language where we learn to construct the verb with the personal pronouns. So, the question arises to our minds, why do we need to construct it as per the personal pronouns? It's a concept of conjugation, and also understanding the language is pretty much important. So, first we will learn what are our personal pronouns. Next, we will learn what is conjugation, and also we will conjugate the most common verbs in French, which is ER verbs. The 90% of the verbs cater to ER verbs in French, and it's an important concept. So stay tuned. We will tell you the most basic concept of French today. French has three types of verbs. The first is ER verbs. Example is parler, to speak. Next is IR verbs. Finir, to finish. Next is RE verbs. Example is prendre, to take. Let's look on to the first category, the most common category of the verbs, ER verbs. Parler is the best example to learn ER verbs. Let's get started, guys, with the conjugation part. Oh, no. Let's wait. Let's look on to all the conjugations. Here we go. Now, more important is to understand the personal pronouns first. So, the first personal pronoun is je. That means I. Tu, meaning you. Il, meaning he. Elle means she. Nous means we. Vous again means you, but vous is a form of giving respect in French or addressing a group of people. But majorly we use vous for giving respect, and its meaning is you. Il, they. Il is used for a group of people who can be male and female both. And elle is specifically for a group of females, that again means they. So this is first person, second person, third person, and again third person. This entire row is singular and this entire row is plural. Now, let's get started with the conjugation. But what do you mean by conjugation? I have explained this concept in my last videos. I will repeat it again for you just for a refresher. Conjugation is a form of writing the verb. In each form, we accord the verb as per the personal pronoun. We accord the verb with an ending. An ending gives the meaning to the verb. So, parler is the infinitive form of the verb. Infinitive form of the verb means
when the verb is in its original form with the ending, that is er. Parler means to speak. Then when we have to conjugate the verb, we have to remove the er, and then remains PARL. Now what do? We write all the personal pronouns, and then we write PARL with all the personal pronouns. So in this way, we have written all the first things which need to be done. Now, what will be the cherry on the top? The endings, guys. These endings will help you to differentiate in the conjugation for each personal pronoun. So, the ending for je is E. The ending for tu is es. The ending for il is e, and the ending for l is again e. The ending for nu is ons. The ending for vu is ez, and the ending for il is again ent, and l is ent. So now when we write the personal pronoun, the form PARL plus the ending, it makes the personal pronoun and gives the meaning to your verb. So when we speak it out together, je parle, I speak. Tu parles, you speak. Il parle, he speak. Elle parle, she speak. Nous parlons, we speak. Vous parlez, you speak. Ils parlent, they speak. Elles parlent, they speak. So, here we end the conjugation for ER verbs. And what do we have next for you is a small example of how small constructions you can do mixing with to speak and looking onto our word of the day series where you can get words so you can make a sentence. So a sentence is always made up of three things. Three important things is subject, verb, and object. Here in this lesson, you have got the subject and the verb, and you can take from our word of the day series many objects, that is the nouns, and you can make a small sentence. Example we are giving you here is je parle français, meaning I speak French. Then another very small example for you. Nous parlons anglais et français. We speak English and French. So guys, take up this lesson, open the word of this day series videos, make new sentences and write them in the comment section below.
Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Arey, itna nahi bas. Do press the bell icon for not missing any update. And you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook with the handle name Bloomlingo. And we are signing off for today. Thank you all for watching, and we will come back with some more and exciting videos on languages. Stay tuned.